Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you are new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I wanted to share with you some nail polishes that I bought from H&M. I went online shopping a couple of weeks ago, or I have to say like 2.5 months ago, because I had gotten these in a couple of weeks before we went on our Asia trip, so it has been a hot minute that these were like standing on my desk and all. And also I pre-recorded this video, that is why my nails look a little bit different at the moment, like in real life. So yeah, that's just a little disclaimer. So I'm just going to show you all of the colors, swatch them on one of my nail wheels and talk about each color. So this first one is called Full On Fuchsia, and I love hot pink colors like these. Like fuchsia is a little bit of like a pink with some purple in it, and I really love colors like those. I think a lot of purple loving girls and guys will love this color as well, because there is a little bit of like a purple like hinge in there. But it's a gorgeous color. I think it will be completely opaque on shorter nails with just one decent coat. But if you have longer nails like I do, I would suggest just to go in for 2 thin layers. And it's just such a really nice creamy polish. I really like it. The second one is so pretty as well, more of like a pastel-y kind of color. This one is called Sweetheart, and it really does its name justice because it is such a sweet color. It is a pastel-y pink again with a little bit of like a purpley like hinge into it. Not too much. I would say this is more of like a baby pink with 1 drop of like a lavender tone in there. But it is a little bit more sheer compared to the Full On Fuchsia in my opinion. But through decent layers you will get a long way in opacity. I have to mention there is a lovely little like subtle shimmer in here that you can see very well in real life, but it was a little bit hard to show on camera because my camera was just freaking out because I was way too close to the lens. But it is a really nice, like lovely sweet color. This next one is more of like a pearly foily kind of polish, and this one is called Petal to the Metal. I think it's a really nice color. Usually I'm not really into like the metallic-y foily kind of colors like these, but since I do also do nails on other people with regular nail polishes, I do have one person in mind that would really like this color. This color personally really reminds me of one of my aunts, which I used to hang out at their house for like ever when I was in high school, which is kind of a long time ago already. But she always wore colors and finishes like that, so yeah, I actually have like really nice memories of colors like those. So yeah, that's just a little side note. The next color is called Butterflies, and when I saw this one on the web shop I was totally in love. Again, really metallic-y, but not as like foily, or how do you say that? How do you call the finish from the previous color? Like I feel like it's kind of a pearlescent soft metallic, but this one is more of like a sparkly, almost glittery metallic polish. It is a little bit sheer on the first coat, but I think it would look beautiful if you top it on the previous polish I just swatched. I think that's really pretty. It's kind of like a rose gold peachy tone. The next one is again quite sheer. I always tend to look at the bottles first, and I think this one is a little bit sheer, but it is called Precious. It's like a gold peachy, almost going towards the greeny gold shimmery metallic polish. This one is quite liquidy, quite thin in substance in my opinion, but when I swatched it I was actually pretty surprised because I expected it to be way more sheer than it actually was. So I think it's just because there is so much shimmer in there. It was actually pretty decent for the first layer. As you can see here, it has kind of like a multi-chrome kind of effect from the yellow gold toward the peach towards the green, but yeah, it's a really unique polish in my opinion. The next one is called Bijou, or I think that's how you pronounce it. It's a nice glittery polish, again a nice soft gold, almost like a rose gold or champagne gold in my opinion. I think it's a really nice color, especially combined with the previous 3 colors. I think it's really pretty. It looks more silver on the swatch than it actually is in real life. I think that has just to do with how strong my lights were that I actually use for filming all the time, because it really was a golden kind of glittery polish. So keep that in mind if you do check that one out. It is more gold in real life. This next one, oh lordy, I just had to have it. This one is called Prismatic. I'm actually wearing it on my nails at the moment, or at least when I was recording. It has a lot of different silver holographic glitters, actually heart-shaped glitters as well, which I thought was so cute. And yeah, I was just really surprised to see that, because on the picture on the web shop you actually couldn't see that there were little hearts in there, but when I just opened the bottle, when I got it in, I was like, oh my, there are like tiny cute silver holographic hearts in there, and I just wanted to put it on my nails right away, so I did. So it is kind of like a first impression, but 2 of the colors I already used like an hour before recording this, so yeah, it is still kind of like almost a full-on first impression. Again, this beautiful silver holographic polish. I was so impressed with this one. This one is called Space Race, and on the picture on the web shop it didn't really seem like a super holographic color, but oh my lordy, I have immediately shared some pictures on my Instagram about this color, like in my story. When I just applied it, it is so holographic. Like, my camera has issues actually showing you how holographic it is, but trust me, in real life it's like in your face, like rainbow splashing off of your nails. I love it so much. Again, it is really metallic-y. It dries really fast as well, but that's a good thing, because with just 2 coats it's completely opaque, so you don't have to wait a long time before your manicure is dry. So yeah, these were already all of the colors that I got. I have applied 2 layers of the holographic color on my own nails, of course always using a base coat first, and applied the top coat that I will show you in a little bit as well. But these are all of the colors, and just look at that. I just added a second coat to each color to give you their full like opacity effect, just to show you what they are capable of. You can even see the little like heart-shaped glitter in that silver holographic glitter polish as well. I really love it, and I also really like that with the second coat you can actually see that the gold glitter is really more gold than silver. Then I also got the big gel top coat. Again, please, nail polish brands, stop using gel while it is just a regular nail polish. It is very confusing for people who don't do nails that often, who are not really into gel polishes as well, because it's really confusing. But yeah, I really liked this top coat. I've used it in a couple of my videos and designs that I will be uploading soon during Winter Nail Art Week. It's just a little bit of a thicker, actually kind of gel looking top coat. It isn't a gel polish, so you don't have to cure it, it just air dries, but it's a little bit of a thicker top coat. It takes a little longer to dry as well, but it does give a nice shine, which is something I really like. You guys know me, I love my shiny top coats. And yeah, I'm just going to apply a thin layer of that top coat to all of the polishes I just swatched on this nail wheel, just to show you how darn shiny this top coat is. I did wanted to mention that all of the regular nail polishes, like the colored ones, the glitter ones I'm showing in this video, I bought every single item myself, so this is not sponsored by H&M. Like, I wish they would sponsor me, because I want like all of their nail polishes. But the colored nail polishes and the glittery ones were all $4.99, so about €5. And I think, if I remember correctly, because don't like pin this or hold this against me, I think the top coat was like €6, like $5.99, but I'm not sure about that anymore, since it has been a while that I purchased these. And as we speak, like as I'm editing this video, I actually just purchased 30 more nail polishes from the H&M web shop because they have like their Black Friday weekend, Cyber Monday, all that jazz. It is Saturday the 30th of November while I'm editing this. So yeah, I can't wait to actually get my next batch of H&M polishes in. I went crazy because they had like a 20% discount, so they were $4 instead of $5. And yeah, I love myself a nice deal, you know. So yeah, here I'm just going in with another swatch of that beautiful silver holographic polish. I just wanted to like show you it a little bit more, like the difference between the first and the second coat. So the one I swatched before already has 2 coats, and you can really see how holographic it is. I really love it. I highly suggest, if you are a holosexual or a holographic fan, or however you want to call it, to pick up that nail polish. I know H&M ships worldwide. Every single country has their own like web shop or anything like that. Maybe you can even find it in stores, so definitely check it out. It's really affordable. It has great coverage. I didn't expect that at all, but yeah, this was already my entire haul and swatch and review, first impressions video, however you want to call it. Yeah, I really hope you liked it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And as usual, I love you so much, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos.